Hey guys, this is trading service team from Made-in-China.com. In this video, we are going to be covering how to request a refund. For any reason you need to request a refund, please contact platform and supplier first. The platform will get back to you soon and give you as satisfactory a solution as possible. If you request a refund in your account, supplier needs to reply to your refund request within 72 hours after you have submitted. There are two types of returns, refund without return and refund with return. First, if it is refund without return, please complete all the fields, include refund type, refund amount, refund reason, and remark. Then just waiting for supplier's response. After the supplier agrees to refund, wait for the platform to return the money to your original account. Your money will be refunded within 1 to 7 working days. Second, if it is refund with return, except the above return information, you also need to upload the proof of your return, like photos with inconsistent product description. After submitting return request, please wait for supplier's response. Then, the supplier will send you a return address through the platform. Next, when you back to page of My Return, just click on Confirm Return to complete the return detail. Include shipping method, service provider, tracking number, and document for dispatch docket or delivery label. Please confirm the logistic information you provided is accurate, as you can no longer edit once the information is submitted. After that, please wait for the logistics arrive. Suppliers need to click on Confirm Return, then the refund will be returned to your account within 1 to 7 working days. Under this return type, the supplier must confirm the refund after receiving your return within 30 days. Last, if you paid by bank transfer, please provide your refund account. We will return the money to your designated account. If you paid by card, you do not have to do anything. We will return the money back to your original card. Currently, the platform does not support application for refund on the app and mobile side. Please apply a refund on the PC side. For more questions, please feel free to check out our FAQ page from Made-in-China.com. Thank you for your patience.